Golf Golf Alpha.
Is there a special helicopter Golf Romeo Oscar Yankee Mike?
Golf Romeo Oscar Yankee Mike, Heathrow Squawk 7031, London QNH 1007 hectopascals, pass message.
70311007, helicopter Golf Romeo Oscar Yankee Mike, Robinson 44, helicopter just out of Denham, looking for H9 at 10 for Isle Dogs, return sir.
Golf Yankee Mike, roger, identified basic service, remain outside controlled airspace, calling back shortly.
Remain outside, identified Yankee Mike, thank you.
A bit smart.
Yeah.
50.
Golf Romeo Oscar Yankee Mike, clear to enter controlled airspace, Hotel 9 or Hotel 10, standard operating altitudes VFR.
Clear to enter the zone, standard operations VFR, Hotel 9, Hotel 10. Thank you very much, Yankee Mike. Okay, straight on feet right now. So this pilot...
Yankee Mike on return, is it back into Denham, sir?
A firm on those, depending on timings of where there's a no time out at 12.
That's a 1-2, you're leaving controlled airspace, sir.
So a bit more to the left. This pylon just down here, you've got to go over it. And then there's these woods over here. And there's a road going just between the woods.
Yes, I can see
there's
it.
There's a white house with a white front. There's a car just gone past it now.
Yeah, yeah.
Yep, so from this pylon to that house. And this pylon down here, northward. 2,000 feet is the maximum.
Okay.
But you can be as low as you want. There's no point going all the way up to 2,000 because we've shortly got to drop down to 1,200. So here to there. And once you've gone over this white house, just a bit to the left, then it's aiming for the far side of the airfield. And on the far side of the airfield, there's a little hangar. It's quite hard to see right now. It's a green hangar.
When you say far side, on the left.
Yankee Mike, entered controlled airspace, sir, radar control service.
Radar control, helicopter Yankee Mike. Okay, you're aiming at it right now, so you're doing a perfect job.
Okay.
And you can gently allow the end altitude to descend down to 1,200 feet.
12.
Golf Yankee Mike, Thames.
Go ahead, Yankee Mike.
Golf Yankee Mike, do you say something about a NOTAM becoming active? Is that some restricted airspace that I don't know about?
I think there's a Battle of Britain Memorial flight just to the north of Maple Cross, Denham way from 12:30. So we might have to just hold inside the zone or poodle out via H3 or something.
No problem. Just confirm there is no restricted airspace for that. It's just that it's occurring.
AFM, it's just a no time out.
Okay, fair enough. I thought there might be restricted airspace that I wasn't aware of, but as long as that's fine, cheers.
So I didn't mean to ruffle any feathers.
Sorry.
North alt down here.
We just turn left on top of the motorway.
Absolutely, yep. Turn now, and just monitoring your altitude. Don't let the aircraft climb in the turn. So just keep the nose down a little bit. There you are. And just come left a little bit, and then you're just following the...
Exactly on top of the motorway.
Absolutely right on top. You've got to be really accurate with the altitude. So just come down a little bit.
1,200.
1,200. Very good. Great. So the next landmark along here is, Perryvale.
I'm just looking here. Now I'm checking for the... Oh yeah, that's Aventure. Yeah.
So we're going along here. Perryvale is here. So it's on the left-hand side. It's a white building on the left-hand side of the motorway. It's where the railway starts to come in.
Okay.
And I'll point it out to you.
What is the name?
Perryvale.
Perryvale.
A bit more to the left.
What's this? Nice day, yeah. What's this Wembley there?
That's Wembley, yep, correct, and that's the Shard in front of you. So, you've got, between where we are now, you've got one bridge.
Alright.
Yep, and then you've got a smaller bridge. One bridge, then a road bridge where there's a bus on it. Beyond the bus, there's a very small walkway.
Yes, I can see it.
Yep. Just behind that is a white building.
Yeah,
on the left-hand side.
Yeah.
That is Perryvale.
Alright, okay.
Okay, so, coming up down here, this roundabout, this is where we turn right.
Okay, just exactly on top of the roundabout.
Just on top of it, so it might be worth bringing the speed back a little bit, so it's not quite an aggressive turn. And you'll be following this road down here on the right-hand side, Hanger Lane.
Okay.
So that's the Donut tube station.
Okay.
Ring.
And what will be the altitude here?
It's 1,200, but you're dropping to 800.
Oh, drop to 800.
So this altitude here is 1,200. That end park in front of us is Gunnersbury Park. and that's where you've got to be at 800 feet.
800. Okay, we start descent now, 800.
And you've got to think, well, the wind's from the west, so if anything goes wrong, right now we can get into this one.
Or?
And then in a second, we'll be going for that one.
Oh, we still have one there.
Yeah, that one was a little bit out of wind, but we could make it work.
Yeah, I can see the big guys.
Good. So we're just coming here. Brentford is Gunnersbury Park. And then from there it's Kew Bridge. So do you see the bridge behind it?
Yes, I can.
Yep, so you're aiming for the bridge now.
Okay.
800 feet. Very nicely done.
And is still the speed down?
You can go as fast as you want now.
Alright, okay.
And you're very lucky. Just go straight at that bridge there.
This one here.
Straight out of that one, yep. It's low tide, so we might be alright.
Okay, that's good. It would be nice to go there today, be honest with you.
I'm right a little bit more.
I was following the wrong bridge. You see there? That's
Yeah,
the one
mate.
that was following wrong.
This is the one. So we are just here, sir.
Good morning, Golf Alpha Tango, Papa Tango.
Golf Alpha Tango, Papa Tango.
Left and follow the river.
Left. Stand by, we'll take a circle back very shortly. Golf Yankee Mike, traffic is a single through just at Barnes turning eastbound, sir. From Battersea do have a departure to go, so you can contact Battersea now 134.275.
134.275 and we'll visual the squirrel. Yankee Mike.
And Golf Alpha Tango, Papa Tango, Squawk
134.275.
QNH 1007 hectopascal.
What is this squirrel that I don't see?
Just over there, do you see him?
Oh yes, I can see him, yes.
Yeah, so just keep an eye on your altitude, 800 feet, got to be really accurate because there's a BA A321 coming in.
Yes, I can see him.
Battersea Tower, Helicopter Golf Romeo Oscar Yankee Mike with you squawking in 7031.
Golf Romeo Oscar Yankee Mike, Battersea Tower, good morning, and continue routing eastbound Hotel 10, standard operating altitudes, then Hotel 4, start up at 1,300 feet after passing Battersea VFR, clearance limit, London Bridge.
Clearance limit is on the bridge, continue along the river, and it's 1,400 feet after passing Battersea, Helicopter Yankee Mike, thank you.
And Golf Yankee Mike, just check the altitude on H4 after passing Battersea, not above 1,300 feet.
Apologies, sir. Passing Battersea is 1,300. We're off visual with your squirrel traffic.
Roger, thank you. Yep, he's continuing eastbound just shortly past Wandsworth Bridge.
So, Helicopter Yankee Mike.
Golf Romeo Delta, R44, shortly to approach Barnes, be following you eastbound.
Delta, Roger.
Yeah, I can see him there.
So you're holding 800. We're
your clearance when you're
just come around here.
go ahead. Golf X-ray, Lima,
And then Barnes is that building, the white building there, the big football ground. You see it on the left-hand side of the river?
The left-hand side of the river.
Just
Yeah,
full
the white one here.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Position off departure, clear to leave the London's under control zone by the LFA.
Which bridge is this one?
Fulham Football Club.
7077.
And that is Barnes.
Report ready for departure.
It's tight turns, yeah, for the river.
Yeah.
Or is it because I'm too fast?
No, it is tight. It is tight. Something to just bear in mind.
Okay. We cannot just cross like straight. If you do, we
Nope.
got a little bit shit over there, man.
125.625.
So after this bit, you can start to climb up to 1,000 feet.
Okay, 1,000 feet. After this building.
After that one, yep, you can start to come up. And we'll just hold 1,000 feet.
Let me climb now.
Golf Lima, ready for departure.
Golf Lima, Roger, taxi line from way 20.
Taxi line up, runway 20, Golf Lima.
Golf Yankee Mike, traffic information, Twin Squirrel, just taxiing out for departure 20, routing southbound via the LFA.
Helicopter Yankee Mike looking out. I can't see him yet.
No, I can't.
He's just we're just coming up on the helipad.
Yeah, he will take off now, yeah?
He'll be taking off in a bit. He's heading if he's taking off
South.
yeah, not going to be wrong. I've got him.
Golf Lima, traffic information is an R44 just eastbound now, passing Wandsworth Bridge, and he'll be routing eastbound Hotel.
Oh yeah, I can see him.
Yeah, I got him.
Visual Lima.
Golf Golf Lima Lima, class 1 approved if required, 20, clear for takeoff, 230 degrees, 7 knots.
Class 1 approved, 20, clear takeoff, Golf Lima Lima.
There he goes. And Yankee Mike's visual.
Thank you, Mike, Roger, thank you.
Beautiful machine, yeah. Beautiful, beautiful.
He's going to go up backwards.
Yeah. If the engine fail, he can go back.
Yep, that's the plan. So we were allowed to go up to 1300, but we might as well keep it at 1000 for the moment.
Alright, I don't mind.
And so we just passed Battersea.
Okay.
And you're coming back around, so this is Chelsea Bridge coming up now.
This
so
one there. No, the other one there.
That one,
All
yeah.
right.
It's a nice day.
Brilliant.
Very good.
Golf Yankee Mike, contact Heathrow now 125.625, thanks, Joe.
Flying to Heathrow now, 125.625. Thank you very much, Yankee Mike.
Single Squirrel helicopter just past London Eye, eastbound along the river, 200 feet below.
Looking for traffic, Golf Yankee Sierra.
Romeo Delta, traffic view, PA34, southeast of you, 4 miles northbound, 1,800 feet.
Looking up, Golf Romeo Delta.
Got the other aircraft over there.
37 into controlled airspace, radar control service, Heathrow landing 27 right.
Radar control service, 27 right, copy, please, 37.
Heathrow helicopter, Golf Yankee Mike back with you, 7031.
Golf Yankee Mike, thank you, report turning at the Isle of Dogs.
Report turning at the Isle of Dogs, Yankee Mike. Okay, so here we are coming up to Vauxhall Bridge. So Vauxhall Bridge is this one just down here, and this is MI6 down here on your right hand side.
Alright, okay, I can see it there.
So you can start to climb up to 1,500 feet. And Heathrow helicopter Yankee Mike, just confirm that it's standard operating altitude, try again.
Yankee Mike, A-firm standard operating altitudes and traffic views at PA34 miles to east of you by 2 miles, continuing northbound at 2,000 feet.
Copy, looking at standard operating altitude, thank you very much, Yankee Mike.
That guy there?
Yeah, looks about right. Looks about right. So this is the best part of the trip in terms of views. Got the Buckingham Palace, the London Eye just beneath you. So get a little bit more height, up to 1,500, please.
1,500.
Buckingham Palace on the left.
All right, I can see it there.
And you just want to keep yourself right in the middle of the river.
Go back again. Oh, that's 500.
Very good. So,
yeah, the thing is, from here above is nice, down there, yeah. But when you are down there, it's not so nice.
yeah, no, absolutely. It looks quite pretty up here. So, in terms of the bridges, London Bridge is this one. You see the big battleship?
Yeah.
London Bridge is the one before it, and Tower Bridge is the one after the battleship.
Okay.
So the Shard is 1,050 feet.
Like the single squirrel ahead of you, sir, is just approaching the southern tip of the Isle of Dogs, going to be turning westbound, same level.
Copy, downward visual. We'll take North Bank if it helps.
Yeah, from here, Delta, R44 is behind you, just passing London Bridge eastbound, reports on the north side.
Yeah, heard that, Romeo Delta, thanks.
So we said we're going to take North Bank, so you've got to come over to the left ever so slightly.
Maximum we can do the north.
And we'll fly along the northern edge of the river.
Okay.
Just hold Golf platform, please, please.
There's the London hospital with the air ambulance on top of it. Do you see it over there?
Yes, I can see it, yeah.
So just a little bit more to the left-hand side. That's perfect. And that's London City, but they'll stop departures in 15 minutes, so we shouldn't have to hold.
Golf Yankee Sierra, you're leaving controlled airspace, sir. It's a basic service outside. Report changing frequency.
What is this guy doing? Because Heathrow is there.
Sorry.
Golf Yankee Sierra,
This guy.
Yep, so he's coming in, and then he'll be turning towards Heathrow. So you just need to be more on the left-hand side.
Okay.
You said North Bank, so...
Romeo Delta, Roger, and the R44 is just turning southeastbound towards the southern tip.
Yeah, visual, Golf Romeo Delta.
A bit more to the left. Got to be really, really on it. There you are.
The thing is, the river is too narrow.
we can't just widen the river for helicopters, so...
Okay, well, then I will pass on top of this edge.
Yes.
Okay? Yeah.
Perfect.
In the building.
That's exactly it. Nice little Lamborghini going down past there, bright yellow, or orange, sorry.
Heathrow Special from Golf Golf India Golf Alpha.
Golf India Golf Alpha, pass message.
Hey, Golf Golf Alpha, we're having to abort survey now. We're getting shadowing on the images, so if possible, can we take a
where we are there?
Okay, so we're just coming up to the Isle of Dogs.
London City CTR.
So
Okay, that is the where the hot party will use.
yeah, so that's Greenwich Park.
Yeah.
So just here, we're going to start to slow the aircraft down.
Okay.
To turn westbound and one currently westbound.
We're going to be turning around just in a second. You see where that little pier is and the
Yeah, I can
cutty
see
start?
it. Yeah.
Yeah, so we're going to be turning around here and heading back the way we came.
Maybe north of you, 3 miles southbound, 1,700 feet.
Romeo Delta, Roger, looking.
And Golf Yankee Mile traffic view is also P68 Partenavia
So
to the
slightly come around to the right.
side of Romeo 159, southbound 1,700 feet.
And copy looking helicopter Yankee Mike.
Romeo Delta is visual.
Yep.
Heathrow, hello again, House 12 with you.
Let's keep going all the way round.
All the way?
Yep.
You're not to use the park to turn it.
No, over the river.
At squawk out at London QNH 1007 hectopascals.
And just slow it down because we haven't had routing clearance along the back the way we came yet just yet. Helicopter Yankee Mike turning Isle of Dogs and request routing back along the Thames.
Thank you, Mike. Roger, cleared Hotel 4, standard operating altitudes of VFR, and that Partenavia is northwest by about 1.5 miles, southwestbound 200 feet above.
Visual that, and we're cleared 84. Standard operating altitudes. Yankee Mike, thank you.
Base 37, hold south of Bedfront,
South.
clearance, contact tower 118.5.
Sorry?
Out of the river.
Yeah, there's no one coming this way, so you're okay. You can go in the middle.
Okay.
Golf Alpha, clearance is not above altitude 2,000 feet, sir.
Cleared not above altitude 2,000 feet, mate. Thanks, Golf Golf Alpha.
Enjoy the view.
Yeah, now I can see him properly, yeah. Yeah, you see there. That is a nice one.
So you asked, look there, you can see the fixed wing turning.
Oh, yeah. Hey, where is City Airport here?
Just there, on your right hand side. You see the runway?
Oh, yes, I do. Oh, yeah. I didn't know the City Airport closed this time on Sunday.
Yeah, actually no, sorry. It is Sunday today. It is from 12 o'clock Saturday or up to 12 o'clock Sunday.
All right.
So in 15 minutes, sorry, it will open.
Oh, they will start again.
Apologies.
VFR report turning at the eye.
Clear and controlled airspace, not above 2,000 feet, VFR report turning at the eye. Thanks, Constantine.
Let me see the ambulance place, the helipads. Where is it?
Papa Tango, not above 2,000 feet.
Oh, yes. Yeah, I see it there.
Tango, Papa Tango.
Papa Tango, your clearance now, not above altitude 2,000 feet.
Above 2,000 feet, Monte Roger. We're going to be just keeping clear of Fair Oaks, or on track to Clifton.
Roger. Golf Romeo Delta, recall Battersea 134.275.
134.275, Golf Romeo Delta.
And we're probably going to leave the zone via H3, just because looking at the timings.
Okay.
Which means we'll come out down the bottom, down here.
Okay.
And then we'll just fly
Papa Tango,
the edge of the zone.
All right.
That sound all right?
Oh, yeah, that's good. No worries.
Contact found by now 125.250. Good day.
125.250. Thanks for your help, sir. Good day.
Bye. Golf Alpha, you've left controlled airspace, sir. Basic service, report change your frequency.
When I see the speeds.
Golf India Golf Alpha, you've left controlled airspace,
there,
sir. Basic service.
So that's your
report change
heading,
frequency.
and your speed on the ground there's
That's
73.
74.
Yep.
Apologies for that for Golf Alpha. Golf Alpha, 807, left controlled airspace, sir. Basic service, report change your frequency.
Leaving controlled airspace, basic service, and we'll go. Golf Alpha, many thanks.
Delta 12, you've entered controlled airspace, radar control service, report turning at the eye.
Radar control inside, thanks, and report turning cars 12.
It's quiet today, yeah?
Hey,
Down there.
Yeah. Sunday.
Yeah. Be nice if every day was like that.
No traffic.
Yeah.
So as we get around the corner, we're going to then start to come back down to 1,000 feet again.
1,000 feet. This corner.
That corner around there. Yeah. So we're here.
Okay.
1,500, and then coming along here, and you see
Bridge.
Chelsea Bridge.
Yeah.
Is where it starts to drop down to 1,000. So 1,500, and then by the time you're at Battersea, you want to be down at 1,000 feet.
Okay.
So I like to, by the time I'm pointing that away, I want to be starting to descend down to 1,000 feet.
All right. Okay.
And I've just got plenty of time. It doesn't need to be rushed. You're thinking about if you're doing this with passengers, you know, make it as nice and serene and calm as possible. Which is why if you ever get a hold, it's always really good to just slow the aircraft down, so you're not having to put it in like a 60-degree angle bank turn just to stay within the confines of the river.
Yeah. You just got some wind, yeah?
Oh, that's right. No speed restriction, you can go as fast as you want.
Golf Yankee Mike, there's currently no clearance limit, so you can continue Hotel 4, Hotel 10, Hotel 9 to leave controlled airspace at Northwood. And just let me know if you do need to hold inside while the BBMF flies.
Capital, we're cleared to Hotel 4, 10, 9, and I'll just give Denham a call on the second box, see what the update is.
Yep.
Yeah, probably the passenger doesn't like, but the turning tide is the nice thing in the helicopter.
Oh, it's very nice at night, this.
Yeah. A big guy just above us.
This is good, perfect.
Lufthansa.
Denham Helicopter Golf Romeo Oscar Yankee Mike. Martin.
Alpha is Maple Cross and contact traffic on that one.
Well, we need Bravo Alpha to maintain full call sign, please, and there's rotary and one ahead.
Golf Sierra Hotel Bravo Alpha, final.
Hotel Bravo Alpha, it's 270, that's 5 knots.
Just got one down there. Denham Helicopter Golf Romeo Oscar Yankee Mike, how do you read?
Golf.
Oscar Yankee Mike, it was 324 right and 2H1007.
We're still inside the zone, just wonder if there's any update on the BBMF NOTAM.
Free call, good day. Good day, many thanks.
Sorry, 201 there, got Foxtel recording finals, and the wind is 250 at 5 knots.
Golf Foxtrot Delta.
That's the bridge. That.
Oscar Yankee Mike, you're calling?
Hey Pam, yep, I just wonder if there's any update on the BBMF flight just to the north of Maple Cross.
1,000 feet. Yeah,
Golf Alpha, turning final.
Yeah.
Sorry, Alpha, rotary ahead for the
So,
guards.
hold 1,000 feet for the moment, which is good.
Charlie Alpha. Golf Bravo India Bravo Alpha is on base. Can I make this a touch again?
Certainly can.
Golf Bravo India Bravo Alpha.
British Airways aircraft.
Oh, yeah.
Radar, hello again. Please 37 back with you, H9.
Alright, let's try and get some speed up and try and squeeze in 10 minutes.
Hotel 9, Hotel 3,
Okay.
and then Hotel 7, is that correct?
Please form the bridge and then it'll be southbound.
And we're going to be dropping down to 800 feet again.
800 feet now.
Hotel 9 or Hotel 3 to London Bridge.
Yeah, the 800 feet part doesn't actually start till that side of the bank, but if you just start it in a power on
Going
descent.
down. All right, okay.
No one seems to know about this NOTAM that I'm reading. Very strange.
But the thing is, the most difficult thing is like, I don't know London, and then it's like
Which is where, yeah.
Yeah, you know
So
what I mean?
down there is Hyde Park. This is West Brompton. Chiswick over here, Wembley.
Oh yeah, the Wembley I know, yeah. And yeah. Oh, the good thing is Wembley, at least you can see far away.
Golf Sierra Hotel Bravo Alpha is ready for departure.
What's the Hotel Bravo Alpha, Roger? There's no reported traffic and the wind is calm.
Thank you, London. Castle 2, turn around, London line.
Castle 1-2, Roger, clear reciprocal, not above 2,000 feet.
Yeah, reciprocal, not above 2,000 feet, bit direct, Castle 2.
Well, we might get away with it.
I think he forgot you.
I think he's forgotten me as well, yeah. $800, bit more power.
Nice, yeah? The guy just swim, relax.
Yeah.
That's nice.
Good.
See it there?
Yeah, just...
Oh no, he's a dog. He's not a guy, he's a dog.
Golf Charlie Alpha, ready for departure.
Charlie Alpha, Roger. One bigger touch ago and the wind is 2605 knots.
102, Hevo radar, good morning, sir, Squawk 7.
Ready for morning, Golf 3, 4, Mike India, radio check, given information, CCOB, local. 7032107.
There's the big guy.
Got him. So it'll be a right turn shortly, because this is Kew Bridge.
Okay.
So it'll be straight up the road. This is the park where we had to be at the altitude, 800 feet.
And then I will follow which one?
Come round to the left, and then this bridge with the red car going that way, boom, up there to the right. So straight ahead, and then right turn.
Okay, okay.
Hey, round we go.
There we go. But which road I will follow?
Okay, so if you go straight ahead, you keep close to the park, but then this road, Hanger Lane, comes in to join you very shortly after.
Alright, okay.
Heathrow, Golf Sierra Hotel Romeo Delta, Squawking Idem.
Golf Romeo Delta, Roger.
That guy is...
Doesn't want to talk to me. It's very sad, isn't it? But I reckon we'll squeeze in just in time. Just in time.
Golf Delta, Golf Foxtrot Delta, shutting down at Helio.
Fox Delta, thank you.
Keep the power on, the nose forward. You've got 5 minutes.
5 minutes.
Golf Sierra Hotel Bravo Alpha, downwind.
Sierra Hotel Bravo Alpha, thanks.
Okay, we are there. 800 to 110 knots. We can have a flight.
Doing well. So up ahead will be a left turn. So just where you see all those cars are, it'll be a left turn there.
And follow these roads.
Correct. So 3, 2, 1.
Golf Charlie Alpha, turning
Round to the left.
That's the thing.
And you can climb up to 1,200 feet.
1,200 feet. There we go.
Just wanted to turn on to finals. Probably can't see it because he's low.
I have got him now, can we? Golf Alpha is finals, 24, full stop.
How many Bravo Alpha to 290 left, 5 knots?
Golf Tango Juliet, overhead Bombington for rejoin.
Tango Juliet for 24 right, QNH 1007, call Maple Cross.
1007, 24 right hand, Maple Cross, Golf Tango Juliet.
Mike India, line up behind the landing, there is another one on base leg, but you should be alright.
Thanks, Mike India.
Yeah, that is another thing, because I hear him say down Maple Cross, but Maple Cross is there, yeah?
Yeah, it's just over there.
Yeah, and I was thinking behind us.
Mike India, on the runway to fade.
Yeah, 1,200 feet.
Radar control service.
Radar control,
So 1,200, just maintain that. We're listening to 2 frequencies, so you're getting the best
Heathrow, good morning, Synergy
of Heathrow, but you're also getting Denham.
Alright.
G7,
Just watch that height.
Keep
the nose forward.
Hand over and just claim your city zone transit.
Safe and fly the overhead on the city, please.
7 Roger, clear transit controlled airspace, not above altitude 2,000 feet of VFR south to north, and you're identified as a traffic service outside controlled airspace.
Thank you. Identified traffic service. We cleared to transit the London City CTR from south to north to not above 2,500 feet, 37. Golf.
Not above altitude 2,000 feet VFR.
My apologies. Not above 2,000. We're descending now, altitude 1,000. Energy 7.
Energy 7, Roger. If you just maintain not below 2 until you're well clear of the begin circuit, so they do have traffic northeast by 2 miles.
That's Energy 7, yeah. We're visual with that, and we'll do as you suggest.
Yep.
So from your Delta, is this standard altitude?
Not a good view. It's like put one frequency Joseph for above London, no?
You've got a really quiet day for it, so far today.
Yeah?
It seems quite simple.
Yeah. But you didn't change too much frequency all the time.
You just have to kind of know what to expect. All the frequencies, just memorize them. Or if you've got 2 boxes, it's really easy because you can potentially have 4 frequencies preloaded, ready to go.
Single scroll head, so just off in Chelsea Bridge.
Roger, look at the traffic, please, 37.
There'll be a right turn shortly.
On top of the white building here.
Just past it, yep. You can go around to the right now. In a second, yep.
Castle 1-2, leaving controlled airspace, basic service, abort change of frequency.
Thanks, Castle 2.
And keep the altitude straight ahead for the moment.
Altitude 1,200, yeah.
That's fine. And you end up coming right a little bit. There's 2 woods just at your 1 o'clock. So once we go over the train line, you can come right a little bit.
Alright, after the train line, to the right.
It's a helicopter, Yankee Mike. We're just passing north, halt, we're visual with Denham. Any chance of getting a direct routing to Denham, please?
Okay, certainly can route direct not above altitude 1,500 feet VFR, and retain squawk 2 in the circuit. First service terminates free call Denham. Good day.
Thank you very much, sir. Keep the squawk until we're inside the circuit, and not above 1,500. Have a good day, sir. Yankee Mike.
Bravo, Alpha is ready for departure.
These 2 woods.
Those 2 woods.
And the wind is 3,105 knots.
Oh, many thanks. Okay, Bravo, Alpha, lining up.
Denham, a helicopter, Golf Romeo, Oscar, Yankee Mike, just inside the zone, looking for a direct join to runway 24, please.
Wasn't 24 right in the QNH 1007, call to Maple Cross.
Charlie Alpha, downwind.
Good Alpha.
Runway 24 right hand and 1007, and okay, we'll route to Maple Cross, Yankee Mike. That was a no. It's a shame, but hey hey.
Just radio, Golf Whiskey.
Just a little left here.
Amersham for rejoin.
Scan for Romeo Victor, Roger, for 24 right hand, the QNH 1007, report at Maple Cross.
QNH 1007, squawk. Sorry.
Okay,
Runway 24 right hand, report Maple Cross, Golf Romeo Victor.
That's perfect.
Radio line up just here before the town.
A little bit to the right. Maple Cross is just out there.
This way.
Yeah.
Line up.
That's perfect, yep. And down to 1,200. Sorry, down to 1,000 feet, straight ahead. He's asking us to go the long way round,
Alright, okay.
which is a shame. I was trying to get us, I can see the picture. I was trying to get us directly in, but...
Yeah, no way. 1,000 feet, yeah?
1,000.
Oh yes, the circuit here is 1,000 feet, yeah.
Yeah.
Golf Tango Juliet, Maple Cross.
Thanks, Ed. 1 bounce turn finals and call finals.
Call finals, Golf Tango Juliet.
And the helicopter Yankee Mike is also at Maple Cross.
Cessna just checked Maple Cross and call finals.
I cannot see this guy.
He's just over there.
Charlie Alpha, Roger, 260 finals.
Okay, round to the left.
Golf Tango Juliet, visual with rotary.
Actually, you've got another one.
Oh yes, I can see it now.
And Yankee Mike, we'll give way to the fixed wing.
Tango Juliet, copy that.
Copy, Golf Tango Juliet.
Okay, round to the left, down to 1,000.
Was a nice view of you, and if you see him from above.
Keep coming round to the left, Ed. Left.
I'll follow him.
Golf Sierra Hotel Bravo Alpha downwind.
Golf Bravo Alpha, Roger, the rotary and the fixed wing on base load.
Just watch the altitude down to 1,000.
Golf Tango Juliet, visual with one in downwind.
Got one on the downwind as well. Oh, there he is.
Charlie Alpha vacating complete.
Charlie Alpha.
Perfect. There we are. We
Come
managed
on,
to
now,
slot
Lafayette.
into the traffic.
What is this one from the downwind? I cannot see him.
Just down there.
Hotel Juliet, how much up to rejoin?
Yeah, just a bit right to the right.
November Hotel Juliet, 24 right, 1007.
And just back off the speed.
24 right hand circuit 1007 Wilco, Golf Hotel Juliet. Golf Romeo.
That's very nice, huh?
Ah,
Look at
nice
that.
view.
No, the way that this guy is doing.
Oh, the wake surfing?
Yeah, it's like I thought he was going for the runway.
Cool finals, Golf Romeo Victor.
It will be. Slow down a little bit.
But that was 60.
Golf Tango Juliet, turning final.
Yep. And turn around to the right. Just slow it down a little bit more. They don't like us doing dual
Golf Tango
approaches.
Juliet.
So round to the right. Because we want to be to the north. North side grass.
Okay.
So just hold it back here.
But that case, we're having trouble if the engine stop, yeah?
Got a little bit of grass down there. Slow it down a little bit more.
Load.
Helicopter Yankee Mike, turning finals, north side grass.
Thanks, thank you, Mike, and the wind 2905 knots.
Thank you, Mike.
15 knots ahead.
That's fine. We can get it down here now. Not a problem at all.
Okay.
Just a bit more to the right hand side.
Right.
Okay, perfect.
Golf Romeo Victor is
Just approach here? Or just...
No, just down here somewhere.
Going around.
Thank you, Romeo Victor.
Let me use... Oh...
He'll stop, don't worry. He better stop.
Yeah?
And you can take us back. Helicopter Yankee Mike, over taxi to HQ.
Thank you, Mike, thanks.
Golf Bravo Alpha final.
Nice, well done.
Just beside of the same place that you left, yeah?
Yeah, that's fine.
Wind is 2905
A little bit more low.
Try not to crash into 109. It's quite
Golf
expensive.
Tango Juliet, vacated and complete, thank you.
Just make some fire, you know. This place or that place?
There's perfect.
Okay,
You're happy with it?
alright. Just a little bit close here, yeah.